In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove GoDaddy coming soon page. Start by opening your favorite browser. I have Google Chrome open in here. Now type in GoDaddy. Go ahead and hit enter. You will be brought in here. Just log into your account where you want to remove the coming soon page. When you purchase a domain through this GoDaddy, it often displays a default coming soon page before you build or connect a website. This placeholder is tied to GoDaddy's website builder product, which automatically activates even if you don't intend to use it. To remove it, the first step is to open the dashboard where all your products are listed. From there, look for the Websites plus Marketing section linked to your domain. When you open the editor for that site, you'll find an option in the settings to unpublish the site. Doing this removes the placeholder from public view, although the project remains stored in your account should you want to revisit it. If your goal is to get rid of the coming soon page permanently, you'll need to delete the website builder product completely. Once you remove it, the placeholder will no longer appear, and your domain will be free to point wherever you choose. At that point, updating your DNS records to your preferred host will ensure that visitors see the site you've set up rather than GoDaddy's default message. Many users have found that this step is the only lasting way to stop the coming soon page from taking over their domain. In short, unpublishing will hide the page temporarily, but deleting the website builder product and properly configuring your DNS is the reliable solution if you want your domain to work independently of GoDaddy's built-in tools. Once that's done, the coming soon page will disappear, and your site will display exactly how you want it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.